Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here with another foundation Friday, and today, just we have to test this out, right? Like, it's all over TikTok, it's all over Instagram, it's all over Facebook, and this is the foundation from Makeup by Mario. So if you want to see how the foundation work, how it perform, how it lasts, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going.
Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. Everybody and their mama have been talking about. So this foundation is $42. $42, so it's up there in price a little bit. There's 30 shades. So a little bit of description, or something about this foundation. This foundation is by Makeup by Mario. It says Mario's foundation reveals skin's natural luminosity, featured moisture grip technology. The foundation hydrates skin for 12 hours and glides on easy for customizable coverage. Layer it or shear it out. The buildable formula works harmoniously with powders and creams to recreate Mario's signature techniques while staying true to original color. Available in 30 shades, as I say, 30 flexible shades. So it's the usual size, and one fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. And my shade, I think I got in here, was 3015N. So let's see what all this hype is about. Jesus Christ, these nails is not the business. Like, I hate it. That's why I just usually go with my short nails. So this is the shade. I don't know, might be fine, we'll see. So I'm gonna use my flawless brush from Plating Makeup by Orlando. I don't know, do I shake it? Does it shake anything to shake it? So it does have a pump and it's a glass bottle. It feels really nice. Oh god, this looks light, but for this price it needs to look nice. I don't know. This feels like just a little, not too much though. Oh wow, look at this. So my friend Baby was over. Well, she's a baby. I mean, she's a baby, but she is gonna be 4. And Jesus Christ, she is so rough. So I was like playing with her, and yep, I got scratches all over because she is rough. She just wants to, fight and just be, which is good. Like, she's very active, but Jesus, sometimes I'm like, give me a break, girl. But she's so cute. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decide. So cute. Yeah, you leave me wondering what. I mean, it looks good. Yeah, it's fine. Whenever you blend it in. I'm still bringing it down. Yeah, I can see that it is too light anyway. Where's my mirror? Let me look. I mean, everybody's talking about this foundation, like, so I'm like, let me take a close look. Cause I want you close, I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. I'd do anything to be in your arms. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. I think the hype is because it's from Mario, which, if you don't know, that's Kim's makeup artist, but I'm just like, for now I don't see anything crazy yet. Like it's not, it's just another foundation to it. Like I prefer the House Labs foundation. But maybe when it settles into the skin, it's gonna be amazing, you know? So let's see. Foundation is applied. Let us jump into a concealer. We're gonna do my Shape Tape, and I'm gonna go into medium. Okay, so as usual, I'm gonna wear this foundation for a few hours. I will give you my 2 check-ins, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on if I like this foundation, if I don't like it, what's all the hype, what's all the tea. You already know I'm always honest about my foundation review, so see you guys later.
Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in, man. Look at all these paintings. Downtown Austin is so pretty. But yeah, so I'm doing my first check-in. I don't know, the foundation still looks good. I can't complain. For now, I've been wearing this foundation for about 2 hours, so still looks great. Yeah, I had to change my lip. I had a gloss, but then my hair keeps sticking on it, so I'm like, you know what, let me just do like a lip to make it look, you know, great. But yeah, but everything is still looking, you know, amaze. But look at these paintings. These are so cute. I like, you know, all the, what do they call that, graffiti? I don't think that is graffiti. I think that's more like just like painting or whatever. So yeah, so this is my first check-in. I will give you guys one more check-in, and I will give my final thoughts at the end of the night on how I like this foundation and if it's worth your coin. See you guys later.
When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my final check-in. Foundation still looking good. Yeah, I don't know, my face is really matte. Like I may have a little bit of grease, and I was sitting outside for like 3-4 hours, and now I've been wearing this foundation for like 5-6 hours. So yeah, like 8 to 11, yeah, like 5 hours. So that is pretty good. That is amazing. So I don't know, but that foundation is $42, so we're gonna have to, you know, talk about that. But yeah, everything still looks good. Look at my nails though, so pretty. But I maybe will wear the foundation for like maybe 1 more hour, and then I will give you my final thoughts on, you know, whether I think you should go spend that money and get that foundation for $42. So see you guys later.
me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and let's talk about this foundation. Why do I have my phone in my hands? I have no idea. Where's that foundation? Can't find it, but this is the box. Oh, is that it? Yep, that is it. So that's the foundation we're gonna be talking about. It's, you know, I don't know, when you look in the jar, it looks like shiny. Like there's a glow to it, which is wild because for the most part my face is pretty matte, except like here. Like here I have, you know, and then here it's kind of shiny, but I know why, because of my highlighter. That highlighter is crazy good. But yeah, so I feel like that's kind of why. But apart from that, everything else, and the foundation, let's see, my hair looks real messy, but apart from that, this foundation looks really good. Like everything is like in just so good, like so good. Like, so this foundation is $42. There's 30 shades. I feel like the shade range could be a little bit better, but 30 is not, you know, bad. And it was pretty easy for me to get like a match. You know, it was crazy when I put this foundation on me. I felt like it was gonna be just light, but it is, you know, I just blend it out and everything looks good. I know, as usual, the lips is gone because your girl was eating. As always, I had a nice burger and that was good. So lips are totally gone. But apart from that, yeah, the face looks amazing. It looks good. So again, that foundation is $42, but you can get it from Sephora when they have their VIB sale, and you know, you get 20% off, or 20% off. So, you know, if you want to try it, you can, you know, get it then. But do I recommend this foundation? Yes, 100% yes. I recommend this foundation. I'm definitely using it. It will go into my stack of, you know, amazing foundations. So that's it, guys, for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me